Hi everybody, Nikki O'Knowles here, and I am here to talk to you guys about one statement that has truly helped me blossom into an amazing school leader. Most of you guys know that I'm a principal. I've been at the same school for 10 years, and I just wanted to share this with you parents because I feel like the parents that I've shared it with over the years since I've been in education since '02, they've really just thanked me for it. And so I want to share with the world on YouTube so that way everybody can just kind of use it to better help their child be successful. And that's what we're here for, overall success, so we can build lifelong learners and overall well-behaved and just well-balanced kiddos, right? That turn into amazing adults. So the statement is as follows. We have to do what we have to do so we can do what we want to do. Once again, we have to do what we have to do so we can do what we want to do. So parents, when your kid wants a new cell phone, if they're not handling business, they don't get the new cell phone, right? When your kid wants some new fresh fly shoes that are like $200, cool, you can want all you want. But if you're not handling business, you're not getting the Jordans, right? If they want to go to some lavish restaurant, kids nowadays, they don't just want Carl's Jr., they want Fleming's. Cool. Thank you for sharing your opinion. You want Fleming's. We got to do what we got to do so you can do what you want to do. If their behaviors are screaming, they haven't done what they need to do, don't take them to the want to do locations, parents. Come on now. Sometimes they want lavish birthday parties where they want to invite 10 friends to K1 Racing. That's $1,000. Cool. It's a great dream, right? You're turning 8. No problem. You want to go? We got to push through and do everything that we don't want to do so we can get to K1 Racing, which is what you want to do. So I'm telling you, parents, whether it's an outing, whether it's clothing, whether it's just dinner at a restaurant, please make your kiddo push through to do what they don't want to do so they can do what they want to do. What's going on a lot of times, parents? Sometimes they're getting the wants without doing the have to do's, but it's creating a little disruption in the success of the child. So I wanted to share what's worked for me and also some parents that have given me feedback since 2002 about the slogan, the motto, the truth statement. It's actually worked. And it's not being a mean person, it's providing structure. So we want our kiddos to really understand responsibility. We want to make sure that they understand the importance of discipline. We also, you guys, want to create opportunity for the kids, which that statement helps us to create opportunity. Cool. You want to go to Fleming's, Red Lobster? No problem. But these are the things you're going to have to do if you want to get to there, right? If you want to do that, you got to do these things. It's okay. Opportunities come in different levels, right? So let's provide them opportunities, but they got to get through and push through the difficult part, which is doing the part we don't want to do. Also, it helps the kids, you guys, balance priorities. Like they're going to start to, oh no, I don't have time for that because I got to do this if I want to do that for my birthday. They're going to start to balance out what is priority in their life, which is so important, you guys, because sometimes you just have so much going on. It's hard to prioritize. So teach them early how to prioritize. The other thing, you guys, really having that statement really allows rewarding outcomes for them, because if they handle business, it's so self-fulfilling, you guys, that not only do they get a chance to check off their checkoff list, they're also going to be able to reach their goal of going to medieval times, right? With 7 friends, going ice skating, going to that K1 Racing event, because they already checked off everything that they had to do. Also, they can do what they wanted to do. And it's really about creating kiddos that have lifelong vision. And we want them to really just encourage their own mindset to have long-term goals, but handling business too. It's really, really important, you guys, to just having a balanced approach in life. So that way they're going to be able to fulfill their obligations, which is a stepping stone really to realize their dreams, because everybody has big dreams, right? But also be able to enjoy the pursuit of joy and happiness. And so it's just a reminder, you guys, with that statement, it's just a reminder that the effort that we invest in our responsibilities with, it kind of lays the foundations and the groundwork for a more fulfilling and enriched life. So just know, you guys, that statement is meant to get the kids on the right track to handle business. And I use a lot of if-then statements with the students. Hey, if you want to do this, then you're going to have to do this. If you want to go here, you're going to have to do that. Right? So do if-then statements, because I'm telling you, parents, it works. And kids love the structure. They're not going to get angry and have hatred in their heart for you. They like it. They thrive off of it. I promise you. If it's not something that I didn't practice, I wouldn't be sharing it with you guys. I've practiced it so long, since 02, that I wanted to share it with you guys now that I'm on YouTube. That statement, that motto, it is truly a lifelong game changer. Once again, please, parents, use this with your kids. Use the if-then statements. Hey, if you want to have a birthday party, then you're going to have to show me this. Hey, if you want to go to the mall, if you want to go to the Bass Pro Shop, cool, show me this. If they're not showing you all the extra, don't give them the bells and whistle of life, guys. Come on now, please. The statement is as follows once again. We have to do what we have to do so we can do what we want to do. And I promise you, your kid, your future self will also thank you. 5 years from now, you're going to say, man, I'm so happy I did that when they were 7. You're going to say thank you. Your kids are going to say thank you. In 5 years, when they say, I remember when you took me to the water park. I remember when you took me to, I remember when you took 10 friends to K1 racing. I promise you, but make them earn it. Please make them earn it. My parents made us earn everything, and we loved it, but we handled our business. They weren't playing around with us. We handled our business. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Hopefully it helps just a little bit, and I promise you it's worked. I would not be sharing this, you guys, if it didn't. I promise. Thank you again. Nikki Ono signing out.